At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Harper, or 8 miles east of Sigourney, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Iowa City, Kelowna, Wellman, North English, Hills, South English, Parnell, Kinross, Keota, Freetown, Windham, Amish, Holbrook, and Sharon Center. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern and east central Iowa.